Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this occasion, we will present our study entitled Analysis of the Effectiveness of the Regional Government Information System (SIPD) in Regional Development. The purpose of this study is to examine how effective SIPD is in supporting regional planning and development, as well as the factors that influence its successful implementation from a user acceptance perspective. Before we begin, we would like to thank Mr. Irawan for his guidance and support throughout the completion of the assignment for the Public Information System course. Now, let us to continue this presentation. The urgency of the study includes 6 main points as follows. The first, reason for selecting the research team. The second, background phenomena of the study. The third, problem identification. The fourth, research scope and limitation. The fifth, research gap. And the sixth, novelty. The first, reason for selecting the research team. The theme of the effectiveness of the Regional Government Information System (SIPD) in regional development was chosen because SIPD is a strategic instrument that is normatively mandated for managing regional planning, budgeting, and financial reporting. As stipulated in Ministry of Home Affairs Regulation Number 77 of 2020, SIPD is expected to promote effective, transparent, and accountable regional governance through the integration of data across planning stage and government units. However, in practice, the utilization of SIPD has not yet been fully optimized, making it necessary to examine its effectiveness both conceptually and empirically. The second, background phenomena of the study. The emerging phenomenon includes persistent data fragmentation, inconsistencies between planning document RPJMD and RKPD and budgeting document RKA and APBD, as well as delays and low quality in regional financial reporting. This condition indicates that although SIPD has been implemented nationwide, the system has not yet been fully function as an instrument for integration and control of regional development. In addition, limitation in human resource capacity, technological infrastructure, and government officials' understanding of SIPD regulation are still evident. The third, problem identification. Based on this phenomena, the main problems that can be identified are as follows. The first, the effectiveness of SIPD in integrating regional planning, budgeting, and financial reporting has not yet been optimal. Second, the level of SIPD utilization by regional government officials. Third, there is still weak consistency among RPJMD, RKPD, and APBD, which has resulted in lower effectiveness in achieving regional development objectives. Fourth, transparency and accountability of regional development information to the public remain limited. Fourth, research scope and limitation. To ensure that the study remains focused and in-depth, the discussion is limited to the following aspects. The first, an analysis of the effectiveness of SIPD in supporting the integration of regional development planning and reporting, particularly the linkage between RPJMD and RKPD. Second, the study is conducted using a qualitative descriptive approach based on a literature review. Third, the analysis focuses on user acceptance and utilization of SIPD using the technology acceptance model TAM, especially perceived usefulness and perceived ease of use. The last, this study does not address the technical aspect of SIPD programming nor conduct a quantitative evaluation of financial performance.
5. Research gap. The research gap in this study is a literature gap, indicating that most previous studies on the Regional Government Information System (SIPD) have primarily focused on regulatory compliance, technical system implementation, and administrative issues in regional financial management. Studies that specifically examine the effectiveness of SIPD in supporting regional development, particularly its role in integrating development planning documents such as RPJMD and RKPD, remain relatively limited. Moreover, exciting literature has not sufficiently explored SIPD from the perspective of acceptance and utilization by regional government officials, resulting in a lack of in-depth discussion on user behavior as a key determinant of system success. 6. Novelty. The novelty of these studies lies in its conceptual approach, which position the Regional Government Information System (SIPD) not merely as a financial administrative system, but as a strategic instrument in supporting regional development. This study also offers novelty by integrating the technology acceptance model (TAM) to analyze the effectiveness of SIPD, thereby explaining the role of perceived usefulness and perceived ease of use among regional government officials in promoting the integration of development planning, particularly the link between RPJMD and RKPD. Literature review. 1. Theoretical review. The main theory used in this study is the Technology Acceptance Model, TAM. TAM is applied to explain how the acceptance and use of the Regional Government Information System (SIPD) by regional government officials influence the effectiveness of the system. This theory emphasizes two main constructs, namely perceived usefulness and perceived ease of use. In the context of this journal, TAM is used to explain that SIPD can effectively support regional planning and development when users perceive tangible benefit from the system and experience ease of use in its operation. By employing TAM, this study proves that the success of SIPD is determined not only by regulatory and technical aspects, but also by behavioral factors and the acceptance of officials as system users, making this theory relevant for analyzing the effectiveness of SIPD in regional development.
Research methodology. This study is a qualitative conceptual paper based on a literative review of journals, books, and regulation on the Regional Government Information System or SIPD, using the Technology Acceptance Model or TAM. The study analyzes how perceived usefulness and ease of use influence the acceptance of SIPD in the supporting regional development. Research operationalization. Research operationalization is the process of translating research concept variables or the theories into clear operational definition and indicators. So, that they can be systematically analyzed in accordance with the research method employed. The operational definition used in this study include the following. A. Regional development planning. The process of formulating stage of activities involving various stakeholders to utilize resources with the aim of improving public welfare. B. RPJMD or Regional Medium-Term Development Plan. A regional strategic planning document for a 5-year period that outlines the vision, mission, and development policy direction of the regional head. C. APBD or Regional Revenue and Expenditure Budget, an annual regional financial plan that serves as the primary source of funding for government operation and regional development. D. SIPD effectiveness, the extent to which the information system is able to consistently integrate planning, budgeting, and reporting data in a data-driven manner. A. Accurate and comprehensive financial reports. The final output of the regional financial administration process through SIPD, presenting timely and reliable budget realization data. F. Comprehensive information provision. The availability of a comprehensive database within SIPD to support strategic decision making by the central government, regional government, and the public. G. Accountability and transparency. Principle of openness and accountability in the use of public funds that allow information to be accessed by the broader community.
Number 2, research operationalization. Research operationalization is the process of translating research concepts, variables, or theories into clear operational definition and indicators so that they can be systematically analyzed in accordance with the research method employed. The operational definition used in this study include the following. A. Regional development planning. The process of formulating stage of activities involving various stakeholders that utilize resources with the aim of improving public welfare. B. RPGMD or Regional Medium-Term Development Plan, a regional strategic planning document for a 5-year period that outlines the vision, mission, and development policy direction of the regional head. And then C. APBD or Regional Revenue and Expenditure Budget is an annual regional financial planning that serves as the primary source of funding for government operation and regional development. D. SIPD effectiveness, the extent to which the information system is able to consistently integrate planning, budgeting, and reporting data in a data-driven manner. E. Accurate and comprehensive financial reports. The final output of the regional financial administration process through SIPD, presenting timely and reliable budget realization data. And then F. Comprehensive information provision. The availability of a comprehensive database within SIPD to support strategic decision making by the central government or regional government and the public. And then G. Accountability and transparency. Principle of openness and accountability in the use of public funds that allow information to be accessed by the broader community. Next, conclusion. The first one is expected result. This study is expected to demonstrate that the effectiveness of the Regional Government Information System, or SIPD, is strongly influenced by the level of acceptance of regional government officials as system users.
based on the Technology Acceptance Model or TAM, perceived usefulness and perceived ease of use of SIPD are expected to play a crucial role in improving optimal system utilization. In line with findings from previous literature, this study is expected to confirm that when SIPD is perceived as useful and easy to use, it can enhance the integration of regional development planning, particularly the linkage between RPGMD and RKPD, as well as strengthen accountability and transparency in regional development. The findings of this study are expected to provide a conceptual understanding that the success of SIPD is determined not only by the regulatory and technical aspect, but also by user behavior factors as explained by TAM and supported by relevant literature.
2. Conclusion. Based on the conceptual analysis and literature review conducted, it can be concluded that the Regional Government Information System, or SIPD, plays a strategic role in supporting the effectiveness of regional development. From the perspective of the Technology Acceptance Model, or TIM, this study shows the perceived usefulness and perceived case of use of SIPD among regional government officials are important factors in encourage system acceptance and utilizing optimal acceptance of SIPD. Contributors to improve integration of regional development planning, particularly the linkage between RPGMD and RKPD, and strictness, accountability, and transparency in regional development management. Therefore, the successfulness implementation of SIPD is determined not only by regulatory and technical aspects, but also by user behavioral factors. 3. Recommendations. Based on the test conclusion, it is recommended that regional governments enhance human resource capacity through continuous training related to the use of SIPD and strengthen the integration of information system across regional government units. Furthermore, future research is recommended to adopt an empirical approach to directly examine the relationship between SIPD acceptance and the effectiveness of regional development, so the conceptual findings of this study can be enriched with stronger empirical evidence. Elaboration on the importance of study and its policy contributions. This study has a high level of urgency and future relevance in line with the increasing demand for transparent, accountable, and information technology-based regional governance. Digital transformation is regional governance requires not only the existence of information system, but also their effective utilization in supporting regional development process. Therefore, this study is important as a conceptual foundation for understanding the factors that influence the successful implementation of the Regional Government Information System, or SIPD. The main contribution of this study to regional governments lies in providing a conceptual framework that emphasizes that the effectiveness of SIPD is not solely determined of regulatory complements and technological infrastructure, but also by the acceptance of regional governments officials as a system users, as explained by the Technology Acceptance Model, or TIM. This understanding contributes to improving the quality of regional development planning, particularly in ensuring the integration between RPGMD and RKPD, thereby enabling development policy to be formulated in the more consistent, targeted, and data-driven manner. From a policy perspective, the conceptual findings of this journal imply to SIPD implementation policies should be accompanied by initiatives to strengthen human resource capacity, simplify system procedures, and enhance managerial support from leaders. Policy should not merely emphasize mandatory SIPD use, but also promote greater perceived usefulness and ease of the system among officials. This study contributes to providing a more holistic policy foundation for regional government to optimize SIPD as a strategic instrument for regional development. Thank you.